What is the greatest number of cuboids, 5 cm by 3 cm by 3 cm, that can fit into a carton, which is also in the shape of a cuboid, or 40 cm by 30 cm by 20 cm? This question always come up for exam. Come out so many times already. So if you all do not know how to do, please learn how to do. Now, first of all, we want to draw the big carton first. So the big carton, they have 40 by 30. So if this one is length, this one will be width, this one will be the height. So it's 40 by 30. Okay, so, and then the height will be like this, by 20. So this one is 30, this one is 40. Okay, so we're going to draw it like this, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, so it's 40 cm, 30 cm, 20 cm. And then the smaller one. So the smaller one will be 5 by 3 by 3. 5, 3, 3. You draw like that, draw like that, draw the legs, and draw the top. Okay, and then draw the top cover. Okay, so they're asking you how many of these can be put inside here. What's the greatest number? This question, right, only got one method, which is the fastest method ever. Okay, first of all, right, we take the big length divided by the big length. 40 divided by 5 to give you 8. Then we take the big width divided by the small width. 30 divided by 3 equal 10. Now, we take the big height divided by the small height. 20 divided by 3. This will definitely give you a fraction, right? This will actually give you 6 and 2 over 3. 6 and 2 over 3, correct. Now, when they give you a fraction, right, ignore the fraction. Cancel out the fraction. Okay? Then, the last step, take 8, which is here, multiply by 10, which is here, multiply by 6, which is here. So 8 times 10 will give you 80. 80 times 6, this will be 480. And then this will be the answer. Okay? So basically why we want to do this on method, right? Very simple. If I take the big length divided by the small length, right, I can figure out from here, I can put how many. Okay? If I take the big width divided by the small width, it means that from here, I can put how many. Okay? If I take the big height divided by the small height, right, it means that from here, I can put how many. Okay? But why I ignore the fraction? Fraction means that the top part, right, you cannot add in one more. Because if you add in one more, right, it will protrude beyond the carton. So we have to ignore the fraction. We only can take the whole number. So remember, do not round up or do not round up, okay, or do not include the fraction. Just take the whole number and then take this multiply by this multiply by this, you'll get the answer. Okay, and why do I want to draw it out? It's actually a very useful skill for you to draw it out because it helps you to visualize. If you can visualize, it makes your job a lot easier. So if you're watching this, right, just go and learn to draw a cuboid. It's not that difficult, right? Right? Okay, done.